In this video, you will be able to see how friendly an infant is to the home people within 1 week. If you don't know, a young of a monkey is called an infant. Also, find out what is its favorite food in this 1 week. It's no longer scared of people. When it's hungry, it comes down from the tree where it's normally tied, and it comes down, and whenever there's something it can eat, it comes down for it. Look at it, how it's enjoying the mango. So interesting. At first, when you touch it, it can scratch you, I tell you. But now, within 1 week, and you can just touch, doesn't even mind of either scratching you or biting you. So far I will say it's mangoes that became the favorite food for the infant. But let me tell you, this thing can also eat grass. You see, look at it. Sometimes I could give for it banana, even pawpaw. Yeah, among that I normally give for it mangoes. But whenever it's down, it can move around and also eat grasses. Look at it. So it no longer fears people, but when it hears sound of a motorbike, can jump. It's still scared of strange sounds, but doesn't even fear my camera. I'm bringing the camera just close to it, but doesn't even mind. It's just feeding, concentrating on the grass, doesn't mind of my camera. So it's friendly, just within a week. Look at it. So imagine if it could take something like a month, then it's going to learn something great. Whenever there's something strange, they just take off and run to where it's normal tied and even climbs up. Thank you so much for watching. It has been Asa Media Center. I'll be back with a video clip. I'll record it after 1 month, and we shall have a look at how it's going to change. Thank you so much for watching.